In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use tags in ClickUp. From enabling the feature in your workspace all the way to color coding your labels so your projects stay visually organized at a glance. ClickUp's tagging system is one of its most underrated tools. It lets you group, filter, and surface tasks across multiple lists and spaces without disrupting the structure you've already built. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get into it. Before you can tag a single task, you need to make sure the tags feature is actually switched on in your workspace. ClickUp calls its optional features ClickUps, which are essentially modular add-ons you can enable or disable depending on how your team works. To turn tags on, click your profile avatar in the lower left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select ClickUps. You'll land on a page that lists every available ClickUp for your workspace. Either scroll down until you spot tags or use the search bar at the top to jump straight to it, then toggle it on. Once you do, ClickUp will ask you which spaces you want tags to be active in. You can apply it to all of them at once or be selective. This space level control is genuinely useful if you're running a large workspace with teams that have very different workflows. There's no reason to clutter a space that doesn't need labels with a field nobody asked for. Pick the spaces that make sense, confirm, and you're ready for the next step. Now let's actually create your first tag. Open any task inside your workspace. It doesn't matter which one, because the tags you create here will be available across the whole workspace once they exist. Inside the task detail view, look for the tags field. Depending on how your workspace is laid out, you might find it just below the task name, near the priority or due date fields, or further down in the right-hand sidebar. Click on that field and a small input box will appear. Simply type the name of the tag you want to create, something like urgent, marketing, or review needed, and then press enter on a PC or return on a Mac to save it. The tag is created instantly and applied to that task at the same time. One thing beginners often miss here is that tag names are shared across the entire workspace, not just the space or list you're currently in. That means if someone on your team has already created a tag called client facing, it will appear as a suggestion the moment you start typing something similar, saving you from accidentally creating a dozen near duplicate tags. Before you type a new name, always glance at the suggestions that pop up to check whether one already exists that fits your need. Keeping your tag library clean from the start will save you a significant headache later when you're trying to filter your views. You can also add tags without even opening a task. In list view or board view, hover over any task card and look for the tag icon that appears. Clicking it gives you the same tagging interface without interrupting your flow. This is a real time saver when you're triaging a long list and need to bulk label items quickly. Now let's talk about color coding, which transforms tags from a simple label into a genuine visual system. When you can distinguish tag categories at a glance just by their color, you stop losing time to reading and start processing information faster. To customize a tag's color, hover over the tag on any task where it appears. You'll either see 3 dots appear next to it or you can click the tag directly. Either way, a small options menu will open. From there, choose a color from the preset palette ClickUp provides. These preset options cover the most common needs, but if your team uses specific brand colors or you simply want something precise, click the plus icon to enter a custom hex code. Type in the 6-character hex value and ClickUp will apply that exact shade. Here's the important thing to understand. When you change a tag's color, that change propagates everywhere. Every single task in your workspace that carries that tag will update automatically. You don't need to go task by task, it's a global change. This means it's worth being deliberate about colors before you've tagged hundreds of tasks. A quick convention like red for urgency, blue for client work, and green for internal tasks can go a long way toward building a workspace that communicates without words. One best practice worth mentioning: resist the temptation to create a tag for every possible situation. The real power of ClickUp tags comes from combining them with filters. Once your tags are set up, you can filter any view, list, board, calendar, whatever you prefer, to show only tasks with a specific tag. That's where the system pays off. A focused, well-maintained set of 10 to 15 tags will serve you far better than a bloated library of 50 that nobody uses consistently. So to recap what you've accomplished today, you've enabled the Tags ClickUp in your workspace, created your first custom tags directly from the task interface, and set up color coding so your categories are immediately recognizable at a glance. That's a complete tagging workflow, ready to use. From here, a great next step is to open one of your existing views, click the filter button, and experiment with filtering by the tags you just created. You will immediately see how powerful this system becomes when your tasks are properly labeled. Save this video so you can come back to these steps anytime you're onboarding a new team member or setting up a fresh workspace. See you in the next one.